Hey guys, it's Taylor here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to be featuring our all new launches, like our Nudies Bloom Oliver Dewy colors, as well as our nude lip glacés. And the look for today, as you can see, it's on my face, is really about like this summer fresh glow. Summer fresh monochromatic glow. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my complexion. I'm going in with the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Oil-Free Moisture Cushion. I love this moisturizer because it's super lightweight. So next, I'm going in with our Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. If you haven't tried this product, it's definitely a must-have for summer. It's a super lightweight, all-over-face tinted coverage that tints the skin to even skin tone, that blurs any imperfections like fine lines, texture, wrinkles. You can also use it as a blotting stick to diffuse the appearance of oils, and then you can use a lighter shade and a deeper shade to contour and highlight. So I'm going in with my perfect shade right now, which is medium 4 / I'm probably a little bit lighter than this at the moment, but I do like my complexion to look a little bit more warm. So I like to go one shade deeper with my Tinted Blur Stick. So I'm just going to go in all over my face. And then either using a brush or your fingers, you just want to blend. The formula is super lightweight. It has beautiful ingredients like vitamin E, coconut, as well as green tea, emollients, which is what makes it so soft and smooth on the skin. So this is more of a natural coverage complexion product. If you do want a little bit more coverage, for example, sometimes I need a little bit more coverage right around the nose and a little bit under the eye area, you just want to go in with one more layer. It is buildable. Okay, so now I'm going in with our Tinted Blur Stick in the shade medium 6. This is, I guess, 2 shades deeper than the tone that I used all over my face. If you do want a little bit more of a dramatic contour, then I suggest going like 3 to 4 shades deeper than your natural skin tone. And I love our Tinted Blur to contour because it's the most natural, soft contour. It never gets patchy. You'll never see any harsh or defined lines. It just blends in so beautifully. So because I like to look a little bit more bronzed, I like to take my contour and bring that up into my temples and my forehead, my jawline, and then a little bit in my crease. Then using a brush or your fingers, you just want to blend. You really don't need to blend. Like, I'm blending very softly. I have a really light hand because it blends in so beautifully that you don't need to apply that much pressure. So next, I'm so excited to introduce our all-new Nudies Bloom category. Our Nudies Bloom are a dewy all-over-face color for your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. They're beautiful tones inspired by spring and summer florals that just add the most beautiful, bright pop of color all over the face. And this formula is quite different than our matte because it has a dewy finish. So you'll notice that you'll have this beautiful natural glow to the skin. And also, the tones are a lot more vibrant than our matte formula shades. So this is what a Nudies Bloom looks like. As you can see, it looks like all of our other Nudies categories, whether it's a glow, a matte, or a bloom. They all are like these little chubby sticks. So on one side, you have your bloom, and on the other side, there is a synthetic blending brush that twists off so that you can wash it. So it's very practical. It's honestly the perfect product to take with you, whether you're going on, you know, a vacation this summer, or you're going to any beach destination, you're going to a music festival, you just throw it in your purse and it's so easy to just apply on the go. So we have 4 shades. The first is Cherry Blossom Babe, which is a beautiful baby pink that just looks so sweet on the cheeks. And then we have Sweet Peach Peony, which is a beautiful pastel peach. Tiger Lily Queen, which is a vibrant coral. And finally, we have Poppy Girl, which was created by our celebrity makeup artist, Mary Phillips. So when we approached Mary and we asked her to create a shade for our Nudies Bloom collection, she really wanted to create a shade that was a universal, rosy, I almost want to call it like a rosy watermelon shade, and it just works well on all skin tones. It brightens the complexion. It almost looks like you just came back from the beach and you have like this really natural rosy glow going on. I love it. It's so good. So that's our Nudies Bloom collection. So now I'm going to go in and show you how to use them. For this video, I'm going to focus on one Nudies Bloom shade just to make it easier for all of you, just to show you how to use them. But I will create other videos on how to use all the other shades and different looks so that you guys can see the shades on my skin. And we also have a lot of content on our Nudestix Instagram, so if you want to see how the shades look on different skin tones, then you can definitely hop on over to our Instagram page to check it out. So for this video, I'm going to go in with Poppy Girl, which is Mary's shade. I'm really excited about this. It's one of my favorites. I love a good rosy glow. I just love looking sun-kissed all year long. So yeah, without further ado, so as you can see in the stick, it is quite vibrant. And I don't want you to be intimidated by this because once you blend it out, it just looks like a natural, subtle, rosy cheek and eye and lip look. So here goes nothing. So I'm going to start by applying it right on the apples of my cheek and bringing that up into my hairline. I do love a little bit more of like this sculpted blush look. I've just been wearing my blush like this recently, as opposed to just using it on the apples of the cheek. It just creates more of a natural look. So you can either go in with your fingers and tap that in to the skin. And when you use your fingers, I find that it's more of a dewy finish. Like the dewiness definitely comes through a little bit more, but if you want more of like a semi-dewy finish, then just go in with your brush to diffuse the color. I'm also going to take a little bit onto my brush and just really lightly tap it into the cheeks and swipe it up into my hairline. So I want it to look as natural as possible. I mean, you can be really dramatic with these colors if you're going for more of like this editorial, monochromatic look, but for the sake of this video, I want to show you how you wear it for an everyday look. So because I'm not wearing a ton of foundation, I'm also not wearing powder, I can directly swipe the color onto my cheeks. But if you are wearing a full coverage foundation or powder, then you should probably go in with the brush, swipe it on the color, and then blend it into the skin. Notice how you see that glow come through. It's so pretty. I do like to take a little bit of blush of my Nudies Bloom and really, really lightly just swipe it on my temples and my forehead just to bring everything together. I find that it looks just a lot more natural when you have like this monochromatic look. I'm gonna take a little bit onto my chin. And I like to take a little bit onto my nose as well, because when we get a little bit of sun, we get a tiny bit of color right on the bridge of our nose. And I'm going to take some with my finger and swipe it all over the eyes. You can easily create a really pigmented eye look if you wanted to, like a really dramatic, glossy, editorial kind of lid. But again, I'm just going to swipe a little bit for a wash of color to show you how to wear this for an everyday. Rather than applying so much at first, I prefer to just apply a really light layer and then build it if I feel like I need a little bit more pigment. I'm going to take a little bit of the color and just tap it on my lips as well. So I think that's a pretty good everyday type of look, but I'm not done. I will add a little bit of highlighter. I'm going in with our Nudies Glow in the shade Hey Honey. If you know me, you know that I am absolutely obsessed with Hey Honey. I would bathe in it if I could. And I'm just going to swipe this on my cheeks, just to add a little bit more glow. I'm also going to go in with our Magnetic Nude Glimmer in the shade 24 Karat Goddess. And I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit right in the inner corners. A little bit in the brow bone. On top of Hey Honey, just to create more of a pigmented glow. So next, I'm so excited to introduce our all-new Nude Plumping Lip Glacé. So what is it, you may ask? So our Nude Lip Glacé is not just your typical gloss. Not only did we study your natural nude lip to come up with 4 beautiful nude shades that work on all skin tones, but we've also formulated it with beautiful ingredients that will plump your lip and treat your lip as well. It's also a lip oil formula, so it's super long wearing. It's not your typical goopy gloss that just kind of swipes away and you have to keep reapplying throughout the day. This will last. And it also has a really nice lip oil sheen as opposed to like a sparkly gloss finish. So some fun facts about our Nude Plumping Lip Glacé. We formulated our lip glacé with plumping peptides that regenerate the natural collagen in your lip. So this will give you a fuller lip look. We've also formulated our lip glacé to treat your lip. So it has ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, avocado oil, miru miru, which kind of looks like a nut if you Google it, which I did, I had to. It also is formulated with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin E to really nourish and treat your lips. So that's that. So not only do we have 4 beautiful nude shades, so we have Nude 02, Nude 04, Nude 06, and Nude 08. So if you're a fair skin tone, you'll be a Nude 02. If you're like a fair medium, you'll be a Nude 04. If you're a medium skin tone, you're a Nude 06. And if you're a medium deep skin tone, you'd be a Nude 08. We also have one beautiful nude cherry shade, which is like a universal cherry balm that looks like a cherry stain on all lip tones. If you still need help finding your perfect nude lip glacé, then you can head over to our Instagram account. We do have the different skin tones wearing the different lip shades. So I'm going to finish off my look with a little Nudestix mascara. Just look at that difference. So this is my final pre-nude spring summer makeup look using our all new Nudies Bloom collection as well as our lip glacé. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding how to find your perfect shade or about the formula, definitely comment below and I'll try to answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye. If that's possible. Okay. There's a synthetic blending brush that twists. There's a synthetic, oh my god. What do I do next? Okay, yeah.